I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and so good to have you here. And today I'm going to talk about a new skin trend which makes sense because these days there are so many trends and most of the things they don't make sense. Those are mostly like gimmicks, but this makes sense, and this is skin cycling. This term is actually coined by Dr. Whitney. This is very simple to do, but the results can be really good. So if you want to go above and beyond skincare basics, you want to target dark spots, then textures, premature signs of aging, dullness, you can do this. Understand this, serums or actives, this can be a really great tool when it comes to solving skincare issues, but these are powerful because these are super concentrated. And with great power comes great responsibility. So you must use these actives responsibly. These days, this is very easy to overuse. And I tell you this thing, overuse can never lead to good. You can over exfoliate your skin, you can sensitize your skin. So it is about striking the balance to support your skin barrier, not to further irritate it. So this skin cycling, it is actually done at night. So during the morning, you're gonna use your very good antioxidant serums like vitamin C or niacinamide, and you're gonna follow up with a sunscreen, you know the drill. But during the night time, what you're gonna do, they're like exfoliating serums, they're anti-aging serums, and see, if you use exfoliating serums too much, you're gonna compromise your skin barrier, and if you use retinol too much, then you can irritate your skin. So it is very important to strike the balance, and let me show you how to do skin cycling and how to customize it according to your skin needs. And I'm gonna do it with the help of the serums from Insidein. I love Insidein skincare products. They are very effective yet quite affordable. They have used blend of actives that can target multiple skin issues. The textures are great. The ingredients are really good. They also have this fun school section on their website where you can learn so much about skincare and in a very fun way. And they currently have this sale going on where you're gonna get 50% off on their products. So I think it's gonna be great because their things are really affordable, but with this sale they're gonna get more affordable, and I'm telling you that things are worth it. And I have used their products, they worked really well for me, and I also got feedbacks from you that their things also worked for you. So I'm really excited for this 50% off sale for this festive season. And when the sale is closed, you can use my code SHAMAPTI2022 to get 20% additional off on their products, and I'm gonna be leaving all the links in the description box. And I'm so happy to collaborate with them for this video. So yeah, now let's start. So the thing is about this routine, what they are doing. So for the first night, you're gonna use an exfoliating serum. For the second night, you will be using one anti-aging serum with retinol or retinoid. And third day and fourth day, you're not gonna use any actives. You're gonna be using just moisturizer or those soothing barrier repairing cream to support your skin barrier, so your skin barrier is not further irritated. Then for the sixth night, you're gonna use the exfoliating serum again and then retinol serum. But what about I have more pigmentation to deal with? What about my skin is more dull, I need that extra boost? So I have customized this skin cycling routine according to these concerns like skin dullness, textures, then if you have pigmentation. And for this, we're gonna need 4 serums. One with niacinamide, another with arbutin, another with retinol, and the last one would be with an exfoliant. And for this case, I have chosen salicylic acid to combat blackheads, breakouts. So now let's start with it. So first, let's talk about niacinamide. And niacinamide is something that you can use every night, even every day, because this is a very gentle active, and this is a very well tolerated among all the skin types. This is very good for skin barrier. This is multitasking. So yeah, you can use this every night, no issues there. And this is gonna help you to even out the skin tone. It's gonna also target the skin dullness, skin pigmentation. It will also support your skin barrier. It will also control your oil production, and also can control breakouts, like I told you, multitasking serum, right? And for that, I have this serum with me. This is Insidein's niacinamide serum, and along with niacinamide, they also have used acetyl glucoside, which is a very good active for skin brightening. It has zinc that can soothe the skin and prevent breakout. It also has HA, which can hydrate the skin, and the lactic acid in this formula is there to adjust the pH of this product. It's not gonna exfoliate your skin. So yeah, like you can see, this is not just one basic niacinamide serum. They have used really good ingredients to boost the efficacy of niacinamide and can target many skin concerns. And you can use this every day, every night. It can work for beginners as well. The formulation is really nice. And while doing research for their formulations, Insidein's team, they have found one study where they have seen 4% niacinamide and 2% acetyl glucosamine can really work on hyperpigmentation. I'm attaching the study over here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description as well. So with niacinamide, acetyl glucosamine, then panthenol, zinc PCA, hyaluronic acid, this serum becomes a very powerful tool to taking care of your skin barrier and targets multiple skin concerns. And it can be used every day and night, and we can use this easily with other actives. It's very easy to layer with, so I'll be using this every day for my skin cycling routine. Okay, now let's talk about exfoliation and skin cycling routine. And for that, I have this salicylic acid serum from Insidein. It's gonna be really great if you have breakouts, even if you have blackheads. Along with 2% salicylic acid, it also has green tea leaf extract to soothe the skin. It also has this one ingredient that is a compound of licorice extract, which can work as anti-irritant. It also can support wound healing. That ingredient is dipotassium glyceride. And salicylic acid can be like a little bit drying, but the formulation feels really hydrating, and it didn't feel drying on my skin at all. And the skin soothing ingredients in this formulation prevented any skin irritation, and I am really enjoying this serum. So for the skin cycling routine, on the first night you're gonna apply this serum, and you can layer this with the niacinamide serum. You're gonna do this after cleansing your skin, and you're gonna follow up with a moisturizer. And all the products from Insidein are fragrance free. Now let's talk about the anti-aging part in the skin cycling routine, and for that I have this retinol serum from Insidein. So this is for the second night. You're gonna use this anti-aging serum. If you're a beginner when it comes to retinol, then you just use it once in a week. Then you can like increase the amount of usage to twice or thrice according to your skin concerns. And yeah, this is for the second night, like I told you. So this retinol serum contains 0.2% retinol, it has 2% bakuchiol and 3% squalane, and I love the texture of this serum. It feels so creamy and so moisturizing, and it's a very good serum for anti-aging routine. So yeah, for the second night you're gonna be using this. And even if you're a beginner, you can use this. And if you want to reduce the chances of irritation from retinol, you can use this after moisturizing your skin. You can do the sandwich method, where after cleansing your skin you can use a moisturizer, then you can apply this serum, then again you want to follow up with a moisturizer. This is known as sandwich method, that is used for applying retinol serums or any retinol products. So now it is the third night, and according to the skin cycling routine, the traditional one, we have to stop using any actives for this night. We will just use a moisturizer and a cleanser, that's all. But I say we can use actives like niacinamide, and if you have pigmentation like stubborn pigmentation, dark spots, then you can definitely use arbutin. If the formulation is good and gentle, you can use that during the third night. And for that I have Insidein's alpha arbutin serum. So this alpha arbutin serum, it contains 2% alpha arbutin and 1.5% cyanide and 1% acetyl glucosamine. So it has this beautiful blend of skin brightening actives that can help you with dull skin, uneven skin tone, stubborn dark spots, pigmentation, and cyanide is also known as rainbow algae that can work on stubborn pigmentation. So you can use this arbutin serum along with niacinamide serum for third night and fourth night. And then again for the 5th night you're going to use the salicylic acid, and for the 6th night you will be using the retinol serum. And so 6 days are gone. Now you have 1 day left. So here, if your skin is doing well, you see you don't have much skin concerns, then you can just use moisturizer and one cleanser for that night, for the say 7th night. But if you think that your skin still needs extra help, you can do 3 things. If you have like excess breakouts for this 7th night, you can use salicylic acid. Or if you want to target fine lines or the signs of premature aging in the better way, so for this night you can use retinol. And if you have really stubborn dark spots, pigmentations, and you think you need extra help, so for this 7th night you can again use arbutin and niacinamide together. And if you have textures and all, then Insidein they have one mandelic acid toner, and for this 7th night you also can use that mandelic acid if you think you need help with excessive textures, then whiteheads. So your 7-day routine is complete. So like you can see, I have distributed all the actives so that you don't overdo it, but still you're gonna get the maximum benefit out of these things. And these are not gonna like irritate your skin barrier, but it's gonna like support your skin barrier. But if you are a beginner, you have not used any actives before, then just use like exfoliator and retinol first. Like for first day you use exfoliator, then second day you use retinol, and for 3rd and 4th day you just use moisturizer and cleanser at night. And for the 5th and 6th night, then you again use this retinol and this exfoliating serum, be it salicylic acid or any AHA based serum. And for the 7th night you again use this cleanser and moisturizer. So here the conventional skin cycling can help, but if you are into serums, you have been using actives for a long time, then I think this routine can help you out more. And you always can customize it according to your skin concerns. The goal is to balance it out, not to overdo it, so that your skin can get maximum benefits without getting irritated and your skin stays healthy and glowing. So yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful. And do try out Insidein Skincare. These things are really good, and I hope you can make the most out of the sale. You're gonna get 50% off from today. And let me know if you tried Insidein and how the things work for you. And I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.